Okay, good morning students. Once all of you open your textbook, second lesson, climate and temperature zones of the world. What is our second lesson? Climate and temperature zones of the world. Second lesson, climate and temperature zones of the world. Temperature zones of the world. Once all of you open your textbook, in this lesson bit part, already this lesson was completed. Now I am going to teach a bit part in this lesson. Now fill in the blanks. In the first section is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What is our first section? Fill in the blanks. Places laying near the equator receives dash rays of the sun. Vertical or slant? Slanting rays ekkada padtayi? Poles daggara. Okay na? Now here vertical rays falls nearby the equator. For that reason here the equator region is very hot. What is the answer? Vertical. First answer is vertical. First answer is vertical. The intensity of the sun rays is much dash near the pole. Lesser, because slanting rays are falls near the poles. For that reason, the polar regions contains the sun rays intensity is very less. Answer is lesser. Next, the cool area that blows from the sea towards the land is called as dash breeze. Here, the cool air blows from the sea towards the earth means it is called as sea breeze. It is called as a sea breeze. The cool air that blows from the sea towards the land is called as sea breeze. The cooler air that blows from the land towards the sea is called as land breeze. Now here, the cool area that blows from the sea towards the land is called as a sea breeze. What is the answer? Sea breeze. Sea breeze. Next, wind blowing from hot deserts are dash and dry. హాట్ డెజర్ట్స్ నుంచి వచ్చే విండ్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది? కూల్గా ఉంటుందా? నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ హాట్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫోర్త్ ఆన్సర్? హాట్. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్, గివ్ వన్ వర్డ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఫర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్. సెకండ్ సెక్షన్, గివ్ వన్ వర్డ్ ఆన్సర్స్. గివ్ వన్ వర్డ్ ఆన్సర్స్. Give one word answers for the following. Give one word answers for the following. First question, name the hottest zone. What is the hottest zone? Torrid zone or frigid zone or temperature zone? Answer is torrid zone. Torrid zone is the hottest zone because this zone is nearby the equator. The sun rays falls in vertical rays. Okay, next, what is the answer? What is the hottest zone? Torrid zone. Torrid. Torrid zone. Next, name of the coldest zone. What is the coldest zone? Frigid zone. What is the coldest zone? Frigid zone. What is FRIGID? Frigid zone. Next, June with moderate temperature. Neither hot nor cold. Means it is a it contains a moderate temperature. What is the zone? Temperate zone. What is the answer? Temperate zone. Temperate zone. Zone in which there is 6 months day or night time. 6 months day, 6 months night. In which zone contains, that is called as a frigid zone. What is the last answer? One word answer. D is called as frigid zone. Frigid. Frigid zone. Now third section is write true or false for the given statement. Write true or false. True or false. Next, places near the poles receive slanting rays of the sun. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Near the poles, the rays fall slanting only. For that reason, the poles, the frigid zone is a very coldest place. That is a true statement. A is a true. Next, name winds blowing from water bodies contains no moisture. Okay na? Moisture undada, humidity undada. Water bodies నుంచి flow అయ్యే wind లో ఉంటుంది, హ్యూమిడిటీ మాయిశ్చర్ ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి. therefore it is no moisture అన్నారు కాబట్టి therefore it is the false statement. Second statement is false. Now third one, cold dry winds blow in the cold deserts. It is a true statement. Torrid zone has tropical climate. It is also true statement only. Next, fourth one, matching. Fourth section is match the two columns. Matching is there. What is the fourth section? Matching. Now, water vapor means దేంట్లో ఉంటుంది water vapor? Humidity. Water vapor means A is matching with 2. A is matching with 2. Water vapor is matching with humidity. A is matching with 2. Humidity. Water vapor is matching with humidity. Is matching with humidity. Coastal areas contains which type of climate? Moderate climate. There is neither hot nor cold in this region. Means coastal areas having moderate climate. B is matching with 3. B is matching with 3. Third option. Next, equatorial region. It is a very hot. Means C is matching with 4. Polar region. It is very cold. D is matching with 1. Next one is tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. Fifth one, tick the correct answers. Now, altitude refers to the height of a place is relation to the ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ అనే రిలేషన్ దేనితో రిలేషన్ అయి ఉంటుంది? హైట్ అనేది సీ లెవెల్ తో రిలేషన్ అయి ఉంటుంది. బిఫోర్ సీ లెవెల్ యూ షుడ్ కీప్ ద టిక్ మార్క్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్? సీ లెవెల్. బిఫోర్ సీ లెవెల్ యూ షుడ్ కీప్ ద టిక్ మార్క్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? సీ లెవెల్. Next one. This zone has two distinct seasons, summer and winter. Answer is temperate zone. In temperate zones, two seasons are there. One is summer and winter. Now before temperate, you should keep the tick mark. Temperate. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-E. Temperate zone contains summer and winter. The zone that extends from the Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. What is the answer? Temperate. So third answer is also temperate. Before temperate, you should keep the tick mark. Temperate. Last question in this section. Places near the tropics are very hot, means hot. Before hot, we should keep the tick mark. Okay children, in this lesson bit part was completed. Okay na? Write this bit part in your textbook and read the bit part. Here what? Fill in the blanks, one word answers, true or false, matching, tick the correct options. Here 5 sections are there in the bit part. Read this bit part carefully. Bye children.